Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Mama L. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and if you're a low subscriber, you already know the drill. So today we are making an outfit for Caribana. As you see right here, these are the list of things that you will need. You know how to read, sis. Let's drop that box. So hello, how are you? Again, here we are. So I'm gonna list everything I bought in the box below. This is my first voiceover and I'm killing it, okay? So everything will be in the box below. So this is the first ostrich feather that I got, lime green. They call it fruit green or whatever. And then I also got some other things from eBay. So that first feather was from Amazon. This orange one are from eBay. Those are my largest feathers. The Rooster feathers here, those are from Amazon as well. They'll be linked in the bottom below. So let's jump into the bra. All right, bras up first. As you can see here, I am lining up with a measuring tape how far it is so it's equal. We're gonna cut some of the trim here and basically just take the pencil and glue the trim right along. As you can see, I made sure I divided all of my gems up in their own little circles, bundles, whatever you want to call it, because it's easier to know how much you have left. I will say for the trim now, the glue did hold up, but I would say it kept falling off a little bit. So you'll see in the next clip what I had to do. So here I'm just sewing down the middle and the ends of the wires of the bra just to add more security to the trim, because I felt that even though the glue was pretty strong, it wasn't holding it down to the complete security that I needed. So if you have any thread just laying around your house, I suggest doing that. That is your best bet, just to make sure this damn trim is not going anywhere. By the way, I got this bathing suit for $7 on Shein, and I got it a day that it was free shipping on any orders. So, you know, finesse, finesse, finesse. Here is the finished product. I am sorry, guys, that I did not film the exact pattern I did. What basically happened is the glue started spilling on my floor, and I had to go in panic mode. So your girl literally made up any pattern that came into my head, and thank God it looked decent. Moving on to the backpack now, the hardest part. Here we have my cat Muck trying to help me out, I guess, but more like harassment. I actually watched another YouTuber for some help, so I will shout her out in the description box below, because I love to give credit where it's due. If it wasn't for you, sis, I would have never gotten this done. So as I followed her video, she said to make a little jelly bean. So I did with this humongous cardboard piece that I found in my garage. Literally, my dad had bought a new lawnmower, and I was like, thank you, sir. Thank you. So we're gonna cut it out. I cut it out using a razor, which was the freaking hardest thing ever, but I could not find any strong scissors in my house, unfortunately. So yes, my fingers were dying, and I was really freaking nervous, not gonna lie. So now that's done. I had my little brother follow me into the bathroom. Thanks, Lance. And I basically circled over my shoulders, because that's where my elastic is going to go through, and I circled the bottoms here. So here you can see the top parts and the bottom of where the elastic band is going to go through, and I even circled the general area where my body is going to be, so I know not to really put feathers there, because I don't want it to end up being uncomfortable and hurting me in the long run. So that's really it for that part. So as she instructed in her video, she created 2 extra jelly beans that were smaller, but she did hers more so for her design. I kind of took that idea and decided to just do it for an extra extension so my feathers could look bigger than they actually are, just because I honestly felt like I didn't have enough feathers at the time, but I wanted it to look as big as possible. Here, basically, you're just gonna cover your whole entire thing and be mindful of your holes. Now that it's been covered, figure out where exactly you want to place your arches. So here I am gluing it down. So I already put the elastic band through the back. So you take a scissor. It allowed me to poke the string through, and I pulled it through. Measure how much it is going to be that you think you're going to need. That's where I eventually cut the string, and that's where I knew. I'm just like, okay, I'm going to tie it right here. Hope for the best, because I ain't got no more string. Now feather time, feather time, feather time. We're at the feathers. I took my largest feathers out, and basically before I glued it down, I recommend you doing this, putting down the outline of what you want, and then start gluing down. Cut the stem off if you want to or not, then glue it down. Cut the stem, glue it down. Cut the stem, glue it down. Oh, do not forget to cut the stems when you're getting closer to your body area, because you don't want them poking you. I could not imagine how that would feel. It cannot be good. So just do yourself a favor and cut them as you get closer to your body. As I was getting towards the middle feathers, as you can see here, I started flipping them because I wanted some of them to go outwards. I didn't want them all to be in the same direction. So I suggest doing that. Moving on now again. So this is where I'm going to add in the rooster feathers, my favorite part, because now you could accent it in any way that you want. So basically that is what I did. Again, lay out how you want to put it and then just start gluing down that way. After I laid down these rooster feathers, I took my good old self to sleep. It was about 3 a.m. when I finished. I would say the only things that I did behind the scenes, I did add more gems to the back of the bathing suit. On the butt part, I did add some gems to the backpack itself, but I will say be careful because it can weigh it down. So just put little ones and little amount of rhinestones to them, as well as I made those little knee things. Basically, you just take the large elastic band, sew it, measure it around your leg, sew it down, and then just glue on some extra feathers that you have left over and some gems. So that's really it. As you can see in this picture, that was me at Caribana. On the right, that's me and Zane at Caribana. We had a good old time. I tried to get this video out right before the New York City Carnival. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel for more content. And I will see you in the next. I think she love me, 'cause I got the check on me. Won't spend the flex on me. Put a cousin hex on me. Try to shout my name, put the